Who were the first ones to have granted the lands? The Satavahanas. कोई भी पूछेगा कि सबसे पहले land grants किसने देने शुरू की? You will not say Guptas, you will always say Satavahanas. Why do students get confused? Because Guptas gave large amounts of land grants. The land grants were beginning to be given to officers also. That why don't you, you have been giving such good services, proffering such good services, why don't you take a land grant? In the later period, what happened during the time of Guptas also, land grants, they were beginning to be given in lieu of salary. That अब आप salary नहीं लेंगे, ये आप land grant लीजिए, you take this land grant and जितने भी लोगों का यहाँ से tax आएगा इस land grant में, that is going to be the means of your livelihood. So what used to happen in this case was, it was a very dangerous situation. Ruler would lose the hold on these regions. You have already given them the right to collect revenue. What else could you have given them? What else could they have asked for? And the moment these rulers, they became weak, these decentralized land grant holders, they would immediately exert their power and authority, and they would carve out a whole different new kingdom for themselves. So eventually you will see that there were a lot of feudatories that eventually kind of carved out new kingdoms for themselves. In the early medieval India, you had Ikta system, and then during the Mughals, you had the Jagirdari system, and all of those things were there. And then during colonial India, again you had Zamindari system, and then Mahalbari system, and all of those systems were there. So somewhere land grants, they ended up compromising on the centralized authority of the ruler.